Christie. If you really like your help with this news tonight, Belfast, please do consider any customers who spot around the arena with accessibility needs. Please do not approach any of the assistance animals without the owner's permission. And if you're new with us tonight, please note that strobe lighting will be used during the game, particularly during the team's introductions onto the ice. Strobe lighting will be used all throughout tonight's game. Alright, then let's have a look at the line-up, starting with our officials this evening. On the lines, Alan Ward and Serrano, and the referees in charge of tonight's game, Chris Wells and Andy Walton. Our visitors will start the game tonight, starting at 6 tonight, looks like this for the Dundee Stars. Starting goal number 35, and then Burns on that defence number 11, Chris English. On right defence number 26, Justin Bean. On left wing number 8, Spencer Mass. In center number 16, Benjamin Alquist. And right wing number 9, Matt Barry. That's the starting 6 for the visitors from the Stars this evening. Now let's have a look at the home team Belfast. This is tonight's lineup for your Belfast Giants. Number 1, number 5, sponsor Jackson Whistle. Number 3, Kenneth Rose, sponsor Cole Hansen. Number 7, Reed Irwin. Number 9, the Birds Golf, sponsor Ben Lee. Number 10, Aaron Corning, sponsor Scott Conway. Number 12, One Stop Party Shop, sponsor JJ Cricket. Number 20, a new Global Belfast sponsor Marcus Erickson. Number 21, Belfast Harbor sponsor Gary McFadden. Number 23, Lockton sponsor Mike Lee. Number 29, Dickey sponsor Jordan Kawaguchi. Number 35, Andrew Dixon. Number 42, Harry Corey sponsor Ian Bass. Number 63, Belfast City Airport sponsor Jim Collins. He's your Giants captain. Number 64, a new Volvo Belfast sponsor David Goodwin. Number 71, Carl Petraia. Number 72, Fun Station sponsor Patrick Grasso. Number 74, Belmont Dental Lab sponsor Brandon Whistle. Number 88, he's Ryan Smith. Number 89, Harry Carney sponsor Kieran Long. Number 91, Lockton sponsor Nicholas Gay. The assistant coaches for your Belfast Giants, sponsored by Sport Entertainment Tours, Rob Stewart and George Owala. The associate coach, sponsored by Belfast City Airport, he's Jeff Mason. And the man in charge behind the Giants bench, your head coach and new Volvo Belfast sponsor, Adam Key. That's tonight's lineup for your